crib. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
Hello you guys, my name is Clarissa and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social medias, everything in the description. And yeah, so my camera probably died before I even get to finish this footage, but it is actually Friday, January the 6th, 1:08. I didn't go to work today because when my alarm went off for me to go to work, I didn't feel well because of yesterday, which is Thursday, January the 5th, marked the 1 year date to when we lost our cousins. So yesterday we had to go to their grave site because their tombstone was ready. So we went there for the revealing of that. That was very emotional. Then after that I went to my aunt's house to spend some time with her because the cousins that I lost was her daughters and grandkids. So if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, y'all probably do because it's the Fairmount fire that's all over the news. So yeah, but I went to my aunt's house, spent some time with her and my godson, which is my little cousin, and we chilled, laughed, talked, had a couple drinks or whatever. But it's January 6th. I'm probably like a couple days late, but I decided to do a 2023 vision board. If my camera died in between this, I won't finish my vision board. I just come back once I get my batteries because I had to order new batteries and they don't come until tomorrow. So yeah, and then I also ordered another tripod stand, so that comes tomorrow, so y'all get better footage. But if not, I could just finish recording on my phone just so that I could get that out of the way because I still got somewhere to go today that I wanted to record. So yeah, but we're gonna start on this vision board before my battery died because it was already on like 2 batteries, and when it gets on 2 batteries, y'all know it dies so fast. So yeah, we're gonna start on a vision board. I'm gonna do it on my iPad, which is this one. Y'all probably seen in like the beginning in a clip that I had did the unboxing for this, which will be included into this video. And then y'all also see somewhat sort of the unboxing of my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So yeah, I'll see you guys later because I really don't have nowhere to sit y'all at. So I'm gonna find somewhere to sit y'all at so that y'all can see me make my vision board, and then I'll be back with y'all. So yeah. Okay you guys, so as I turned off the camera to start filming making my vision board, my battery started flashing. So I don't think I'm gonna do the vision board. I'm gonna just record off of my phone. So yeah, and then I'm gonna try to include some footage from the grave site from yesterday. I'm gonna call it like the ceremony, but it wasn't a ceremony, from yesterday, so that y'all could see it a little bit, or I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later because I'm about to record off on my phone because my battery is literally flashing. So see y'all when I switch over to my phone. Oh, and I also get my hair done tomorrow, so y'all will see the footage from that tomorrow because there's not gonna be a long footage to make a full video. So yeah, I'll finish recording tomorrow after I finish my vision board. So see you guys later. Alright, so I switched over to my phone. This is literally me on my phone, and I don't know where I'm gonna put y'all at so that y'all can see me make my vision board on my iPad. Like, where am I supposed to put y'all? Where am I supposed to put y'all? I guess I could hold y'all while I'm making my vision board. And I don't have my pen to my iPad, so we're gonna use my fingers. But anyway, We're gonna switch this camera over so that y'all can see me make my vision board or whatever. So yeah, time to get the vision board started.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna be.
Alright, you guys, so I know I said that my batteries was coming tomorrow. That's a lie. My tripod coming tomorrow. My batteries don't come until Saturday. And it is 2:23. I don't remember the last time I was on here. Well, the time it was when I was on here. But I'm about to get ready and go to the, what's that called? The hair store. So that's where y'all going to be seeing me going, is the hair store. So I'm about to get dressed and go to the hair store. It's cold outside because it's cold in here. Well, it's cold in here, so I know it's cold outside. But I'm gonna go to the hair store and get this done and over with, and get my hair, and then hope I can find the color of my hair. Cause I don't know if y'all ever seen my hair color, but I'm not gonna show y'all cause my braids is like a couple of days old, probably like 2 weeks old. So I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna go to the hair store. So I'll probably see you guys when I get into the hair store or whatever. So yeah, see you guys when I get in the hair store. Alright, y'all. I forgot to film when I was in the hair store, but I just left the hair store and we getting some hygiene stuff right now. Alright, you guys, I'm back in the house and it is now 4:11. I really forgot to film when I was in the hair store, but cause when I got in the hair store, I was trying to figure out what hair gel my sister told me to get, but I filmed it out because I was trying to look for the picture of the hair gel I was supposed to have got. But then as we was leaving the hair store, we went to the dollar store to get some originally dog food, but then I went in there and got me some body wash, as y'all seen in the previous clip. But I'm making a house and I'm gonna get a haul of everything that I got. I'm not gonna show the hair because it's just like regular braiding hair. And then I got some other stuff from there, so I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. So I'm gonna pop y'all up. Alright, I got the oil bottle. The other one that I had, I wound up throwing it in the trash with the hair oil in it. And the reason why I did that is because I put all my hair oil in here because I guess like the comb part was supposed to be like good, because it parts like it goes through your hair and make sure it gets in every part of it, or whatever the case may be. But it was like all this oil would be built up onto like this part of it. So once it starts to go back down, once I put like once time it's upside down, all the oil rushes to this part of it and it comes out. But then when I sit it back how it's supposed to be, all the oil that was still up here and stuff, it drains down, and then it drains down the bottom. And you used to always leave oil at the bottom or on whatever it was on. So I never really liked it. So I wind up getting this oil bottle for my oils, because I just think this one wasn't given. Like the comb parts was all good because my hair used to be well oiled, but I could never get the oil to not leak all the way down to here because of the way the oil used to go. So I don't really too much like this bottle. So I wound up getting this bottle, which that bottle will probably be still good for something, but just not good for what I need it for. So I just wound up getting this bottle to mix all my oils into.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's skip the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's so baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's skip the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's so
I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. In a pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned.
baby, he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow.
They right here. All I really got was some nose rings, which are these ones, and I had them before, so I just got 2 extra nose rings. But that's it for my haul. When I come back, I'll be getting my hair dyed. My cousin be dyeing my hair, so I'll see you guys later. Alright, y'all, this is why I need my camera charged, but I got dye on my hand that I got about to wash off. But I dyed my hair, and I just used the box of black dye, and then you put this in there afterwards. After you rinse your fully out, then you leave the conditioner in for 3 to 5 minutes, then you rinse that out fully, and then your hair is done. But I just dyed the whole thing back black. I was gonna do like half color of this, but I feel like I'm gonna save this color so that it could go with this color, you know, the 2 original colors that I tried to go for last time, and it wound up turning green instead of blue. So that'll be it for this video. Good morning. It's like 9:13, I believe, like 9:12, 9:13. Let me see, check my watch. Yeah, it's 9:12. It's Saturday, and I've been woke around like 5. Why not falling back to sleep? Then woke back up around like I don't know, but I've been up ever since like I'm gonna say 6, because I fell back to sleep around 5. But I'm about to brush my teeth and things, wash my face, and then wait for my sister to get here. But I'm just laying in bed. It's literally cold, so once I get up, I'm gonna put on some extra clothes, because I got on a t-shirt and then some shorts and then some socks, because it's cold. Don't mind my bonnet. My hair is literally pressed out. I really cut my hair yesterday. I like gave it like a trim, because basically I didn't have a trim. Never had a trim. So that was like my first trim, and I did it myself. But I actually did weird though. I just like trimmed it to make it even, because like one part of my hair, which is the middle part, it grows faster than the other parts of my hair, and I don't like that. So like, and then my front fell out from me using too much heat and wasn't using no heat protector. So I had bought some heat protectors. So when I use heat, when I blow dry my hair, or if I'm just straighten it, I put the heat protector in it when I blow dry. And then if I'm straightening it after I blow dry it, I'm gonna put the heat protector in it again after I get finished blow drying it. But I did want to put some oil in my hair, but then I was like, no, because my sister, I'm getting it done. But I'll probably put some oil in it afterwards. Had her put some oil in it afterwards. But yeah, so I really cut my hair. I'm probably don't include no picture, but I did cut. But y'all see it once I'm getting my hair done, but it's like pretty short. But not that bad of short, but it's short. It like blend in with the front now because of how short the front is, and the rest of it was just like long. I mainly was cutting off like the middle part of my hair, because like literally it was the longest part of it, and I just wanted my hair to be even. But I'm just waiting for my sister to text me, which I probably wound up texting her and see what she's doing, because she said she was gonna be here early. Because I'm not trying to be sitting here all day. So, and then y'all know how I mentioned and said that my batteries for my camera don't come until tomorrow. That's a lie. Literally everything comes today. Everything literally comes today, so my batteries come today. So hopefully they come early today.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder,